Patricia, I forgot how to make rice again.
What? How did you forget how to make rice again? I've told you a million times. All right, just give me a minute. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, bye. Okay, so my sister has called me for the 50 millionth time about how to cook rice. So we're gonna do a real quick video just for her, how to cook rice 101. So we're gonna do jasmine rice today. There's a million different types of rice in the world, but I personally feel that jasmine rice has the best flavor, best mouthfeel. It's my all-around best rice for pretty much any dish. So when you are cooking jasmine rice, it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So 2 parts water to 1 part rice. So we've got 4 cups of cold water to 2 cups of jasmine rice. Okay, so I've got that all measured out, and I did make sure to use the appropriate measuring cups. So this is a liquid measuring cup. This is a dry measuring cup. When it comes to baking, it's really important to use the right types of measuring cups, but it's also important for things like rice. You just want to make sure that the volumes are right. So don't forget. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on our doodad. See if we can get this to boil pretty quick. We're gonna go ahead and add our water. At this point, you could season your rice. Also, one thing that I like to do every once in a while is I'll cook my rice actually in broth. So it would be the same thing, 2-to-1, 2 parts broth to 1 part rice. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna bring it to a boil. After it gets to a boil, you're gonna add your rice. You're gonna wanna make sure that you actually stir the rice in really well before you put the lid on. When you put the lid on, don't forget to turn it down. One of the things that I think is funny about rice and people is that everybody seems to only knows how to use a rice cooker to cook rice. I have no concept of the rice cooker. I mess up rice in a rice cooker constantly, every time I've used them. So this is actually kind of nice for those of you who don't have a rice cooker. This is how to cook rice, nice, fluffy, delicious, not stuck and burnt to the bottom of the pot rice from start to finish. All right, so we've got to go ahead and get our rice coming to a boil. Again, you could season your water at this point. I'm gonna leave it plain, so. And then he said, "Why don't sharks eat clowns?" And I said, "Why?" And he said, "Because they taste funny." Because they taste funny. Okay. All right. Okay. I gotta go. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 Okay. Okay. So it's been 25 minutes actually. So 20 minutes of cook time on low with your rice. You're gonna turn your timer off. Or turn your heat off and then set your timer for 5 more minutes. And that's just going to make sure that all of the water absorbs completely into the rice. And when you take the lid off, you're going to have some delicious, fluffy rice that's not all stuck to the bottom of your pan. It's perfect. It's the perfect rice. So hope you guys enjoy this. I hope my sister enjoys this. All right, stay well, guys. Bye.